Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Team Fried Rice Nate, and I'm going to show you how you can upload your own videos. Psych, I'm actually going to show you how you can get your own intro. So where I do it, so first you need to go to, well, of course, Google. What do you expect? I'm going to go on to this thing, Internet Explorer. Well, of course you're going to go on to Google. What did you expect? Anyway, while we wait for this to load, so it should take you to your Google. For some reason it keeps doing this. This is Google. So what you want to type with is Panzoid. It should take you to this website right here. You can do so many creations in this. Say you're a Fortnite fan or something. First you need to go on to choose one that you like. I just found this Fortnite one. I'm not gonna download it, of course, because it takes too long. But you need to download it. I'll show you how to download it. So this is the thing. If you want to view it, you press the I button. Then it should come up with this, and then once it's turned red, it's viewable. Then press play. That's a bad one. But there are so many for you to choose from. For example, I'm just gonna choose this. And this is actually how we made our intro for Team Fried Rice. Loading, wait for it to load. Load. Also, there's not gonna be an intro in this one because I can't be bothered. Yeah, I can't be bothered. So I'm just gonna show you how you can do this. So yet again, toggle rain view so we can go full screen. If you want to see it without the thing, you can just see it. But I'm going to choose one that, what is an it one? You can do that. If you guys are scared of this, if you guys are scared of horror movies, you might want to look away from this one or something. I'm scared. But I don't think it's going to be scary. Oh, so it's not scary. It's just the intro for it. You can do that if you like. If you just create a movie or something. But this is one of the best ones I have ever seen. I can't believe it just came back up. It's okay music, but I really like the style of how it moves in that. There's 3D and 2D. This is made by Panzoid itself. I think this is the one. Yeah, oh, this is the bad version. I'm sorry. Alright, I'm just gonna choose this one. So, as I said, there's a millions of them. So, let's just preview this. And so, if you want, as it says template here, you need to go to objects, this little cube thing. And then you can, like, scroll down. Then when it says text, so you're gonna need to press this for now. You click it, then you get rid of this and say, let's do Nate. Boom. So it changes the Nate here, but you're gonna have to change him to all Nate. You need to change all of them to the same thing, otherwise this will not work out for you. Nate. So now you have Nate here. And then once if you're okay with this, all you need to do is this. You don't really need to do anything else unless you do this kind of stuff. So that means you do start video render. Before you do that though, you need you need to choose one of these. Balance is where you can choose whatever. I prefer extreme quality. And then you can start your window thing, and then it says calculate. This will take up to about 30 minutes or 5 hours or so. My intro was very well. So, and see, it says here 50 minutes, 30. It will just keep going. This will take so long. So, and I'm not able to use this intro. But I hope this video helped you. Like and subscribe, and bye.